first we are going to construct the rough diagram. Okay, for that I am going to consider this AGRI. Okay, so A, G and R I am going to consider in this order. First AG is 4.5. You have to draw only in scale. Okay children, AG is 4.5 centimeter, and then GR. Before that, let us mark this angle G as 110 degree. Okay, so this one is going to be 110 degree, and angle A is 60 degree. Okay, so this angle A is 60 degree, and then so now this one is over, these two are over, sorry, angle A is over, and angle R is 90 degree. Okay, before that you are going to mark this G and R as 3.8. okay, so this is going to be 3.8 centimeter, and then you are going to mark angle R is 90 degree. So I am going to keep my protractor here and then mark 90 degree like that, so that these two lines, that is R and I, will intersect. So this point will become I. Okay, and this one is going to be 90 degree. Clear? Shall we construct the FAR diagram now? Now for the FAR diagram, first we are going to draw the baseline AG 4.5. Okay, AG is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Next, angle G is 110 degree. So you have to take your protractor and then keep it on G and mark 110 degrees. Okay, so here it will be 110 degree. Then I am going to draw a line and mark it as 110 degree. Next one is angle A. It is 60 degree. Next, keep the point on A and mark 60 degree. 60 degree means the mouth should be a bit closed. Okay, then mark this line and write it as 60 degree. Now what is remaining? This GR is 3.8 centimeter. So shall we take a scale and then measure 3.8 now? So 3.8 is G and R. So I am going to keep this pointed end on G and then cut a arc here. So this point is going to be R. Okay, and then what they have told us, this R is 90 degree. Okay, so you have to take your protractor and keep it on R and then mark 90 degrees. Okay, then extend this line. Okay, now mark it as 90 degree, and this A line should be intersecting. So let us expand this line, extend this. Okay, so this point is going to be A, G, R and I. Okay, now we are going to draw the diagonal line. I am going to join these two lines. So this is the diagonal line, and then take your set square and find the height. So this is how you will find the height H1. Next, keep the scale this side and move your set square like this, and this point is H2. Then you are going to measure this H1 and H2, and you are going to give it in the calculation part. So first one is rough diagram, FAR diagram, then steps, and then calculation, and everything should be written using a pencil. Okay, for all the lines a scale should be used. Clear children?